Lily loved drawing more than anything, and her favorite crayon was a bright red one that she used to color flowers, hearts, and happy suns. One afternoon, while coloring at her little table, Lily pressed too hard, and suddenly her red crayon snapped into two pieces. Lily gasped and felt very sad because she thought her crayon was ruined forever. Her eyes filled with tears, and she wanted to throw it away, but then she remembered what her teacher always said: when something breaks, don't give up, think of a solution. Lily took a deep breath and looked carefully at the broken crayon. She noticed that even though it was broken, both pieces were still useful. Lily decided to ask her mom for help, and together they talked about different ideas. Her mom suggested wrapping the crayon with paper, tape, or using it gently. Lily chose a simple idea. She wrapped a small piece of paper around the broken crayon and held it carefully. Slowly and gently, she tried coloring again, and to her surprise, the crayon worked. Lily smiled because she learned that broken things can still be useful if we are careful. Later, Lily also learned another fun trick. She placed broken crayons of many colors into a safe mold, and with her mom's help, they melted them into a brand new rainbow crayon. Lily felt proud and excited because she fixed her problem instead of giving up. She learned that mistakes and accidents can help us learn new things. That day, Lily colored a big picture and shared her crayons with her friends, telling them that even broken crayons can make beautiful art. Lily understood an important lesson. Problems don't mean the end, they are a chance to be creative, patient, and smart. Don't throw things away too fast. Think, try, and fix.